the latex. I will show you. I will show you. See, sir, I hope my screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, here you can see we don't want to open this AUX file, sample one, PDF and all. So directly, so the text source file directly we can open. So now I'm opening this one. Yesterday we have created right sample one.
I have to open, sir.
Yes, we have to open this one. I'm trying to open. I just open it.
LaTeX document.
Yes, sir. LaTeX document.
Actually, it is not coming in my laptop. It is damn new laptop. I installed
Uh,
these things.
See, sir, I clicked this one. My tab is opening. Yeah, we
Okay, okay.
got this one. Yesterday, what I did, same thing. If you go for click wheel,
But I am
automatic.
not getting this one, sir. Actually,
Uh, can you show me that what is that error you're getting, sir? I will.
not error, sir. I just I didn't get anything on the left hand side. This black. I get these two only.
This is
These
blank,
two.
right?
No, no, no. This is also coming. So if
Okay.
we build the quick build, then we will get this one.
Yeah.
But the left side, leftmost black screen is not coming. This part, yes,
This part.
yes, sir,
I think structure part.
yes, sir, yes, sir. Structure part is not coming.
Okay.
I
I
could
think.
not get this one.
I think it may be hide. If you unhide, it
Yeah.
will come.
Sir, you are getting like this?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Almost
Uh,
like that.
So you
yeah.
have to
See,
unhide it.
sir, below you can see the options: structure, message log, PDF viewer, source viewer.
Yes,
So
sir,
if
yes,
you
sir.
click this structure, then you are getting structure.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
If you click this
Uh,
message log, then you will not get the errors. So you will lose this one.
yes, sir, yes, sir,
If
yes.
you go on
Okay,
PDF viewer, only PDF will be hide. And also I
okay,
want
okay,
PDF also. You can click PDF also.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So that is the reason why I am not getting this one, and everything will is coming. And I
Yeah.
practice both online and offline Overleaf and this one. I
Okay.
typed the same things as it is what you did yesterday. I get everything. Thank you very much for
Yeah.
clarifying the
Fine.
doubt, sir.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Thank you very much.
Shivan sir, someone has raised the question, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
How to make paragraph in offline?
Sorry, sir.
How to make paragraph in offline? Text maker or text studio? They have question.
Wait, I will check it. How to make paragraph in offline Tech Maker or Text Studio? Okay, nice. Text Studio you are following. Very nice. For my rightmost is one is not coming and down is I have only four windows structure message. For me rightmost one is not coming. Sir, for Durga Arigila, so just now I have shown how to get the rightmost window. Okay. Now I'm going to the Abhijit Jadhav question. How to make a paragraph in offline? Yeah, I will show you. So here is my document. We'll take any one paragraph, random paragraph. Otherwise, I will do one. Just I have copied this text. I am going here. I am pasting here. Somewhere we have error. What is the error? We can't use micro parameters as the okay. Ah, here asterisk symbol is there. Okay, fine. Now you got right, sir. Paragraph wise. I have not done anything. Just I have given one line space. Then automatically it is coming as a paragraph.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Any other question?
Sir,
Sir, yes, ma'am.
how can we share tech file with others?
Take file
No,
with others
other than overlay.
other than overlay. Okay.
Okay.
See, ma'am. Just now we open right our text file. FDP CSR college. Madam, if you want to share your text file, offline file, so here
Okay.
you can see sample one what I have created yesterday. So if you
Oh,
want to share this sample this file, then you have to copy the sample one text file,
oh,
and then this
oh,
gz file along with the .gz file, AUX and
oh,
text file. These four documents are required to share. This
okay,
PDF it
okay,
is an
okay.
output. We don't want to share automatically. If they run, automatically you will get. No, sir, I want to
Okay.
share this PDF also. You can share. So these four documents we have to send them.
Okay, okay, okay,
Hmm.
okay.
Otherwise,
Okay.
sometimes it will face a problem to run this one, sample one.
Oh,
So the sample
okay.
one, if you want to run this one, background these files are required. These
Okay.
files are generated by the MidTech.
Okay.
That is
It's
actually
perfect.
LaTeX. This is the editor we are doing.
Oh, okay.
These
Okay.
four files you have to send them.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Otherwise, in offline, directly we can will have a project. Just go here, download. You will get zip folder. The zip folder is also having same text file, .gz file, AUX file, and text file. So all these files automatically inside will be in the zip folder. Just send the zip folder and ask them to open their overlay, and then just upload the project. So by clicking this new project, just upload the project. Directly they can upload that zip folder in that project. Automatically the folder will be open. The output also.
Okay.
They don't want to click anything. Directly they can open.
Thank you.
Is it text file can be converted in Word file, sir? Text file, sir. I'm not understanding this. Neeraja Gupta, madam. What is this text file means? You are asking about text file or a text file? Someone writes one message here. Is it text file can be a LaTeX file? So LaTeX file can be converted into Word file. Uh, we can convert, but not meaning, which is not meaning, which is meaningless, ma'am. Why? Because the text file will have code, document class, make title, authors, and sometimes mathematical codes we will give. So if you convert into Word file, also no use, right? Generally, from the text file, if what the output you will get, that output is required to submit anywhere. But we are not submitting the source file, right? Source file, if you convert into Word file, you can convert. But what is the use of the converting Word file? Um, for example, I have this Word file, LaTeX file. If I convert this text file into Word, what is the use? In the Word file, you will get all these values only, right? Instead of converting, just you can copy all the codes and you can paste in the Word file. But which is not useful, right? We'll use this type of commands, double slashes, make title, begin document, end document, all these things. Sometimes journal is asking Word files, sir. Okay. In the situation, only Word file is they're asking means, then if you already worked, you already have prepared your document in LaTeX, then you have to do one thing. Directly you can take the PDF and convert the PDF into Word file. But directly converting the LaTeX file into PDF means it's not meaningful. It is not good actually, because of this LaTeX file will have all the codes, right? uh, that one thing you can do. No sir, I don't want to convert my PDF into Word file. Is there any other possibility chance to convert this LaTeX file itself means, then you can do one thing. You can copy all the codes and paste in your Word and remove these lines, document class, all these things, and wherever the text is there you have to keep the text, and wherever the codes are there, that the codes you have to remove. That one choice we can do. Otherwise we have this one way. And sometimes already you have written your code in you have paper in your paper in MS Word. Now I want to convert this MS Word into LaTeX file, because some journals are asking LaTeX only. No sir, I have created Word file, I have prepared my article in Word. So is there any chance to convert? So some websites are already available to convert Word files directly into LaTeX file. Some websites are there, but it will convert, but it's not be in the same format what the journal will expect, because the journals will provide some different templates, their own templates they will provide. Already you have prepared your document in Word, and if you convert this Word document, Word file into LaTeX file, you can convert using some websites. I will show you also. You can convert. You will get the what the format Word is having, same format you will get, but not actual what the journal is required. So if you send this file to the journal, they will not accept. They will ask, so we need in our journal format directly, they will ask. That one thing we have to be careful. We can convert Word to LaTeX also, no issues. But these things we have to be careful. Which one is better overly for text studio for writing research paper? I said right. If you want to learn LaTeX completely from basic to advanced, go with Text Studio, so that you will remember the codes. It will suggest text studio also records, so it will suggest. But the problem is that again we have to save the files and we have to carry with us the files. If you're going overleaf suggests by default automatically the codes will work. And then if you have any errors also, sometimes you don't want to take the remedy for the errors, or you don't want to solve the errors, automatically it will consider. And you don't want to carry your files wherever you want to go, you can easily open using your credentials. That is one advantage. And if you want to submit a journal, I mean, generally many researchers what they will do is nothing but they don't want to write all the codes, begin document, end document, slash document class, all these don't want. Why? Because journals itself they will provide templates. So just we are taking templates, we are opening in overlay, and where the text is there, the title is there, and author names, just we are replacing, removing that default template title and everything. We are replacing our article title and everything. And also same thing abstract. We are removing their abstract and we are keeping our abstract. like that. Just copy paste, and we are modifying little thing. So it's my suggestion is that if you are directly or communicating the paper to the journal, directly you can go with overleaf instead of going text studio. Okay,
So Shiva sir,
sir, shall we start?
here you can start the main session and window is showing multiple pages.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will go with it. Now it's okay, right? Your
You can
code.
start main session, no
Yeah.
problem.
Yesterday we stopped just basics only, right? Now we'll go little what is the font styles and all. I will show you. Yesterday we have created this text file. See, I don't want to carry anywhere. Already it is there in my credentials. Just I have opened this one. Automatically it is compiled. Okay. Yes. Yes, I'm increasing size. Now we'll go to PPT. Now one by one we'll take into R console. What happened? I will reload. Yes. Now we are going with text formatting. How we have to format our text. This is sometimes journals they will use the by default, no need to format the text, or sometimes they will ask to format us. So if they're asking, we have to format. If they're not asking, directly we can follow their formatting templates. They will give some class inside background files. So with that we can work. So okay. So we are now we'll do how to text the formatting. See, first one I'm here I place this centering and flushing. So generally sometimes they will ask to keep in the center right. So like this, what I place here is abstract. So like that we can keep the text in center or left or right. So if you want to keep your text left or right, so first we'll discuss center slash begin slash begin. Now I'm giving center. So which means that the text will be in the center position. So what are the texts I will give? For example, the same text I will copy and paste. So copy and I'm pasting. Just same copy and paste it. For example, let us say I'm going to give some subsection. So subsection alignment. Let us take center alignment. Yes, just I'm clicking Control Enter. Control Enter means automatically by it will compile. No, sir, I will click means you can click. Here you can see. Once I give this one begin center, end center within the text between these two commands. If I give the text, here you can see this. So subsection. Another introduction. I have created 1.1 is a subsection that is center alignment. Here you can see the text. All text is in the center for position. So over the past 7 decades, the receiver operating characteristics again is coming center. Like that, the text is coming in center. No, sir, I want to keep my text in left side, left alignment. Yes, you can keep left alignment. So again, what I will do, so things, let us take alignment will keep instead of center. First one is this one. And let us take slash begin. Uh, let us take, I'm going to give left alignment. So if you want to use left alignment, so the command is you should not use left, you have to use flush left. Okay. So flush left, this one. So flush left is nothing but the text will be keeping left side. So I'm copying this one, same thing. Again I paste it, control enter. So executing now. And now we can see this your text. So over the past 7 decades, the receiver option is coming in left side. Here we are not getting any justification. Okay. Otherwise, you want to get in the right side, just go with slash begin flush right. That's it. So whenever we click this one, automatically we'll get, if you open begin, automatically end will be closed by default automatically. No need to take care about the end. But when we were learning about the LaTeX at the starting days, so the LaTeX will not suggest everything we have to type. So first we have to slash begin flash left, and at the end we have to use again slash end plus right. But nowadays automatically it is updated version. So by default, if you're opening anything begin, automatically it will be end by using slash and command. Okay. Now again I'm going to go copying the same text. So flush right. So now I'm running this one. So after compilation, you can observe this text. Now you can see this difference. So here the left alignment, this is the right alignment of the text, and this will be the central element of the text. So we can keep the text using this flush left, flush right, and center. Next one is here I have given one comma paragraph. So in this paragraph, already I have mentioned slash begin center, end center, flush left, flush right, all these things. So I will share this PDF with you. Just copy this one and run this one. You will get this type of output. So some text will be in the center, some text will be the left, some text will be the right. Then these type of left right text formatting will be useful while they are writing reports or any type of letters, or in our thesis also, while writing in a certificate page or any preface, so at the end we will give our sign right side, so that in the situation it will be useful. Now, verbatim. So this verbatim will be useful generally for computer science papers. So computer science papers, they will write some algorithms, right? So while writing algorithms, they have to keep the same. What, for example, let us see programming language. Here I have mentioned. So total equal to 0. For loop function they are using for loop I from I equal to 0, I less than 10. Then I increment, double increment. So I plus plus, like that. They have to keep the same text as it is. But if you in LaTeX, if you're not using this begin verbatim and end verbatim, so the file what we are expecting as it is, it will not produce. So if you want to produce as it is what your algorithm is following, then you have to use verbatim. Okay. So I will show this one. Slash begin verbatim. Yes, this is the one. Now what are the command? If you want, what type of C programming or any programming language, any algorithms, if you want to show as it is, you can keep. For example, I'm going to use some for loop function. For function I, starting from 0 to let us take I less than or equal to, otherwise I will use some I in 1 to 10. I'm using some R programming language. So I in 1 to 10, so automatically increment will come. So within the parentheses I'm checking let us say, for example, let us take, I'm going to use some checking for whether it is even number or odd number. So directly I'm using some formula. Let us say k, which is equal to, so I by 2, then print, for example, if it is true, then going to print, let us say, for example, I will leave it, I don't want to waste time. So let us say I want to take the verbatim for I in 1 to 10, like that. Just I want to show my for loop condition as it is. It will directly same as it is, it will produce. See here, for I in 1 to 10, so k equal to I by 2, so does not require to do any modification. But in general, without using this verbatim, for example, if I'm using flower brackets, let us say, see here I have used flower bracket, and I will mention k equal to I by 2. Let us take, now you have 1 by 2, okay, whatever it means. Let us take I by 2. Now you run this one, you will understand what is the use of this verbatim. Now see here what you are getting. So you are not getting flower brackets, directly you are getting k equal to I by 2 something. Okay, so it is not in mathematical format also. You are not getting any mathematical format. K equal to I by 2 directly, how the text will be the same. Here you can see this k equal to I by 2 verbatim, and flower brackets also displaying here. For flower brackets are not displaying. Okay. No sir, I want in a mathematical format I by 2. So what I said, so we have to keep dollar right the starting. When yesterday I said, right, if you want to type any mathematical, then you have to go with dollar symbol closing, opening and enclosing. So now I will run this one. Now you will understand. See, now this is a mathematical font style. Without mathematical font style, also I will show you. Here you can see. Let us take. We'll say we'll have some space. See here. So this is a mathematical font and this is a text format. And one more advantage here, I forgot to say that. See here, for example, in Word, if you give, generally will give word to word only one space, right? For example, here I will give 5 spaces or 10 spaces. How many spaces if you give, automatically LaTeX will adjust to only one space. Here you can see. So here I have given a big space between the text, between the words, but here automatically we are getting single space line. Okay, so like that the auto LaTeX will adjust. This is about verbatim, and we are going with fonts. Fonts easily I will not take into LaTeX. Here directly I will discuss what type of fonts we can use. Here you can see these codes. So the left side I have given all the codes, and right side how the font styles will be displayed and what is the name of the font style. ESC/RM. So if you're taking /RM, you will get Roman family. Like our Times New Roman, Calibri, Algebra. Like that in MS Word, we have different types of for text format, fonts styles, right? So same as it is /RM. It is a Roman family. So what I'm doing /RM within the flower brackets, I'm giving text, which means that so within these flower brackets, what the text is available, the text will be displayed in the Roman family RM. Next, SM, sans serif family. Okay, good morning. So TT, typewriter format, like that. For just two, I will one or two values I will take. For formats I will take. For example, let us take here slash. I'm going to use some fonts, right? Let us take. I will give some section. A section fonts. Just I have created one section. Now I will use, for example, let us say font time /RM. So Roman family I want. So in the Roman family, I will take. Let us take. We'll copy this one and we'll use different types of fonts. You will understand. So in the section I have copied this text. For example, I want this receiver operating characteristics in Roman family. So what I will do /RM. So within the flower brackets, I will mention all the text. Yes, up to here I want Roman family, and for example I want this area under the curve in some typewriter format. Let us say TT. So I will copy this one, and up to here I will take I will keep the in the flower brackets, and we'll take any other format. Let us say for example we'll take this one, small caps SC /SC. Let us say I want the sensitives in SC/SC, and I will give within the bracket, within the flower brackets. And for example, I want this false positive in a bold. What we will do? Directly we will click Control B or text BF. Okay, I am doing just Control B. So text BF will get, and true positive I want in italic. Let us say Control I, and threshold. For example, I want in underline /underline within the flower brackets. I have mentioned this thresholds. That's it. Now we execute this one, you will get all the different types of font styles. Here you can see. So over the past second, by default, it's following, and receiver operating characteristics curve. I will maximize this one, easily will understand. Now we can see here. See, the receiver operating characteristics curve is coming in Roman family, and here you can see area under the curve. It is coming under what the text we have used TT typewriting. This type of font will be generally while typing, right? Typing machine will give this type of font style. Area under the typewriter format. Sensitivities, small caps. Yes, see we have used. Here you can see this. Yes, see sensitivity, small caps, and then false positive. I have given a bold, so false positive rate, and true positive. I have given italic, given underline. Yesterday I said, right, we can use. Yesterday someone asked that, sir, how to give underline? Say in the comment /underline within a flower bracket. You can mention. And one more thing here, we did a mistake that what that mistake is nothing but here you can observe that from here onwards, sensitive onwards, all the text is in coming caps, small caps. But here I have written in a small letters. I'm not using any capital letters. But why it is coming? Any reason? Any identification you got? Why the text is coming in capital letter? Hello? Are you following? Hello?
Sir, we are following, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here, why the text is coming all caps is nothing but, so this SC small caps is taking. So once we use this code treating that after this code, what are the text is available? All the text is taking as a capital letters. Sometimes these type of problems we will face in LaTeX. For example, if I use text BF, text IT, so after this text IT, what are the text is available? All text will come in italic. Sometimes because there are some required packages some packages are required to run these specific commands. Here we are not install any packages, right? That we are not using any packages. So directly I'm taking this SC as a one command. So some situations will get this type of problem. So what you will do in the situations means, if you want to stop that one, I want this small caps only for sensitive means you do one thing, just give a flower brackets before and after the code, not with the text. So what I'm doing, slash sc sensitivities. I want
Sir, your
sensitivity.
screen is not sharing, sir.
Yeah, it is sharing, but you please refresh. For us, it is.
Refresh means I'm not understanding, sir. Whether I want to refresh my overleaf or
Yeah. No, resource person screen is visible for everything. For a thing, for you, it is not visible. You can please rejoin it.
okay. Here you can see this. What I use SC. I want small caps only for sensitivities, right? So I have used SC within the flower brackets. I have given text, but here the output is sensitivity. Sensitivities is coming in small caps, but after this sensitivity word, the rest of the words, what the text is available, all text is coming in caps, small caps. The problem is that sometimes these type of font styles will face some problems. What is the problem is these packages, I mean these comments require some packages. You can use some packages, but as of now I'm not touching any packages. That's why sometimes it will misbehave. So we have to take care about that. For example, if you have facing these type of situations, then what we will do, that's why I'm going to address. Now see here what I did, just I have given one flower bracket before. What is this is coming? See, this flower bracket, I have used this one. So open flower bracket and close bracket, which means that this SC, small caps code will work within this bracket only. Now you run this one, you will understand. Here you can see sensitivities. So within the bracket only, next ROC curve. Now again we have a problem. What is the problem? ROC curve is a type setting formula. So type setting TT is following rest of the all text. Again what I'm doing, so again I'm going to use, so within the parentheses, so I'm stopping this TT. So within that area under the curve only, I need the text will be in the format. So yes, now it is, the problem is solved. So only area under the curve is coming type setting formula, type setting format, and then sensitivity is coming small caps, and the rest of the text is following as it is. So these type of, sometimes we will face the problems. So no need to worry about that. Just we will stop that course by using flower brackets. So open flower bracket, close bracket. Within this only we'll get text. Sometimes you will get color also. Let us take slash color, a color red. So I'm going to give the color for red color for the my text. So slash color red. I have used this one. Now we got the this one. Undefined compose sequence. We got an error, so we need to use package. I think 1 minute. Color red. Again we're getting. So I will try to use package. Actually, I thought we'll discuss in the next 2 to 3 days. Now itself we got this idea. Okay, use package color. Yeah, the problem got solved. Now see here what I use. Actually, what I thought, so will show you this text, entire text will be the red color. So what I use here, slash color red, I have used it. I want to show my text in red color, but this code is asking some package. Without the package, I'm not able to run. So like that is asking. So what I use, so color is a package. Just I have used that package by mentioning like this. Use package color. So this package is having the command of color. Now using this package, the code is executing. Without this package, the code is showing that there are some error. See, for example, I will not run this one. I will make a percentage symbol, which means that the commenting I'm giving. Now, if I run this one, it is showing one error. So here you can see this. Where is the error? Line number 46, we have error. If I click this log outputs, you will see that where the errors are there. So main.txt. Main.txt is nothing but this is a text file. Main.txt name. So name of the text file. So main.txt. So under the main.txt, 46th line is having error. Just click this one. So cursor will place in that line. Just if you click in the error text line number, automatically the cursor will be placed in the text file. So now here color, this area is the error. Now it is asking please rectify this error. See, even if you have this error, the code is executing. It is not compiling. It is not showing that we are not compiling. So it is, the code is executing even if you have this error. But in offline, If you are taking the same code in offline without using the package, it will stop. It will not produce the output. That it will show there are some errors. Please rectify that error. If you rectify the error only, I will allow you to take the PDF of the output. Otherwise, will not allow. Like that, the offline will stop us even if you have errors. But this is an advantage of overlay. One or two errors if you have, it will manage. Okay, so now I will use this package. So slash use package color. So this is executing now. So now I will run this one. Now you can see the errors are gone. Now what is showing, the entire text is coming in red color. No sir, I don't want to mention this red color. I will mention only first two sentence only in red color, means just use the same what I said, flower bracket, open flower bracket, this code is for the very one I want in the first sentence, just close it. So now this color red is function will work within this flower brackets. Okay, now we can see this. Yeah, so for the first sentence only it's highlighted red color. Generally these type of comment, I mean these type of giving colors will be useful when we get reviewer comments from the journal. So once we get the reviewer comments, so we'll modify, right, accordingly we'll revise the article. While revising, we will highlight some text because of we want to inform them, yes sir, according to your comments we have modified, we have rectified. So while giving the justification, so we will highlight the text, yes sir, this is the text I have modified, so I'm showing an highlighted one, that is called giving some color. Okay, so in the situations we can use this type of highlighting. And now these are the many formats are there. So what are the formats you want, you like, so just select this all these things. And one more thing is that, so if you are selecting, if you are communicating in any journal, so we don't want to depend on these textiles, we don't want to remember these codes. You can think that sir, this all these codes we have to remember, we'll go with our MS Word only. In the MS Word by default there some tab is there, so I will click the tab and I will choose any one option as my font style. You can think, but sir, if you are communicating with journal template will have by default their own styles and everything they will give. You don't want to worry about the styles, you don't want to worry about the sizes, you don't want to worry about the where you have to place your figures and tables. Automatic they will decide, they will give you a complete source file to you. What you will have to do, just you have to open their source file in your LaTeX, then just you have to modify. They will mention some by default some they will give some template. In the template by default they will use some title, other name, abstract, everything. Just you have to remove that abstract, you have to keep your abstract, that's it. You don't want to worry about that. So if you keep your abstract, automatically what the journalist they fix the template style, automatically will follow. You don't want to worry about that. That's why I'm saying. So if you want to learn one by what is meant by BF is nothing bold, text up is nothing but upper right shape, like that. If you want to write and learn, you can remember the codes. The codes are also very easy. It is in our general word format. What we are talking, general the way of we are talking, the codes is also in the usual talk words. Okay, so you can remember. No sir, I will follow, means you can follow, no issues. This is the font size. Generally, we will give in MS Word size is 10, 11, 12, 13, like that. We will give, right. So here we don't want to give any type of size. How much size you want? So you have to use this type of codes. Slash teeny. Teeny is missing, is coming. The text will be in a very low, small. Script size. You can use the script size, so a little bigger than teeny. Footnote size, small, normal size, large, capital L large, and complete caps large, huge, capital huge. So these are the font sizes available in our LaTeX. Other than these sizes, we cannot give. Okay, these are also you don't want to remember. General templates they will remember. For example, I will use any one or two. So just I will in this only I will use. For example, let us take I want to take my receiver operating characteristics. I will use one more that this will should be in the, let us say, very bigger size. Let us say slash. I will use some slash large. I am using small L large. So just I have used this one slash large. Now we can think that yes. Yes, you can see here receiver operating character is coming in very large size. Otherwise, I will give capital L large, capital L large. So you will see this little bigger. Yes, if you give huge, you will get very huge value. Let us take. I am giving capital HU. Oh yes, you can see this very large. Otherwise, if you can use teeny, very small, you will get script. Script size you can get normal size, large, huge, like that. Whatever the text you want, you can keep. But these things also templates will be provided. Next, sir, I hope you understanding what I am saying.
Yes, sir. We are following.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is the general. I have given one exercise to you people. So I want if you type like this text, you will get this type of output. See here, I have used how to use LaTeX. It is in a bold, so I use BF. You can use /BF or text BF. Everything is same. Okay. So I have mentioned the flower brackets, which means that within this flower bracket, the text will be coming in bold BF. Next, one of the reference book is the LaTeX. Here you can see the LaTeX. How I have used. This is the LaTeX. Generally, LaTeX is software, right? So if you use /LaTeX, generally the logo will become. So logo is coming having like this: capital L and A will be in the upper, T will be in the middle, and E will be in the subscript like this. So this is the logo of the LaTeX. I mean, the text will display logo like this. So if you want to create this one, you just use the slash. That's it. /LaTeX means it will come in the general how the websites are showing this LaTeX name, same as it is. It will refer shows. And here what they mentioned, text up. Here you can see little text up, and then underline, and then big one. What is big one? So SC small cap /L large. So all these comments I have what I have discussed in the only the same thing I have placed here. So if you want to learn, just copy this one and understand how the formulas are running and how the text is coming. You can change this BF to any IT or any Roman family or any typewriting formula, whatever you want. You just change and learn how these comments are working. Next, we are entering the very important part that is called symbols. These symbols you have to remember. This is one thing we have no other choice that to take by default. So these things you have to remember. Then usually will work on that. See, if you want to get a and symbol in your LaTeX, it will show as an error. I will show you. For example, here. Yesterday I said right, what are the comments you are giving? You have to be give all the comments within the end document. I mean inside the begin and end documents. So if you give any comment after the end document, it will not execute. So for example, in the next line, I'm going to use some symbols slash. Let us say subsection or let us say section. We generally will take one section. Yeah, section. I'm going to symbols. I'm discussing some symbols. Now in the symbols, first one is let us take and. Yes, I have placed and symbol. Now it is showing that yes, by default we got error. Yes, the and symbol is having error. Misplaced alignment is something showing error. So why it is showing something what? So symbols required backslash in LaTeX. Either you are using asterisk at the date. So these type of symbols, if you want to use a dollar or any type of percentage symbols or any type of star, like that, if you question mark symbols, like that, if you want to use some symbols generally, so we have to use backslash to produce in our LaTeX. So for example, here and symbol is the right. So I will use backslash and then the command will execute. And now there is no error. You can see this and is executed symbol. So the symbols generally requires a backslash in LaTeX. So like that, see, backslash, dollar, slash dollar, asterisk, slash asterisk, tilde, slash tilde. So if you use these type of commands, you will get automatically the symbols. And so generally we'll use that and so on like that, dots. So these we can use dots also. Otherwise, you can use L dots. L dots is nothing but we'll get three dots like this. I will show you. So either you can use next line. You can use three dots. Directly you can use yes, no issues. Otherwise, you can use L dots. Yes. See here you can see little difference between general three dots and L dots. So here normal three dots is not coming as it is normal text, and L dots is coming in a mathematical font. So mathematical font style, we are getting three dots having some space. And here one more thing you have to observe. See here, I have entered a slash and three dots and L dots. So text is coming here starting, and the next lines are coming here. Any reason why it is coming like this? Why it is not coming below this and exactly, madam?
Space is given the space.
Sorry.
Space is given and enter space. Enter.
Here I have not given any space, ma'am. Slash and. Here also I have used three dots. Here slash L dots. The three lines are there. Three lines starting only. But here the output is coming, having some space. Which means that
Dots are coming after some text.
some text. Yesterday I said right. The new lines will start with paragraph. Paragraph will have some space right before starting the paragraph will have some space right. So why it is not coming here is nothing but after the section text is coming automatically by default the same position. This is the format, general format we are following. Here you can see this one. Here you can see first introduction, the text is coming, there is no any paragraph without having any space, directly it is coming under the same. But if you are going for any new paragraph, where we'll see, we'll do one thing. I will copy here only. I will copy this one line, just one line, and I will paste it here. So now I'm giving one line space here. Now I entered here. So one line space, 24th line I have given space, and 25th line I have pasted. Now you run this one, you will understand. Now you see here. First, after the section, generally we will not give space. This general format we will follow. So LaTeX is also following slash this one. And if you are going for new line in that same section, then you are getting space. As I said, right, if you want to remove this space, you can remove using no indent. So let us take like this slash no indent. Yes, if you are using no indent, you will not get the space between the before the paragraph. No, sir, I want space. Just remove this one. Yes, we got this space. No, sir, I want the paragraph space in starting of the section also. I mean after the section title, I want here also over the past 7 days I mentioned. Here also I want space means you can use space. That is, you want inform to the LaTeX. That is, I am going to write paragraph par slash par. So which means that you are saying that you are going to write a paragraph in this section. Don't want any indent. And now it's not working. We'll do one thing. We'll use some package, then you will understand. Maybe it requires some package. Use package paragraph. Oh, it is error. Dash paragraph only, right? It's not working. Yeah, we'll check that one. We are facing here, right? Paragraph. It's not coming paragraph. Yeah, I will let you know this one. So we are actually I work this slash paragraph. So but here we are not giving space in the starting line after the section title. Okay, I will let you know this one. What is the problem here? Actually, this paragraph requires some package paragraph only. Uh, Here we are. It is not working. Okay, I will let you know this one. One thing I will let you know tomorrow. Okay. So as of now, what we say, what I'm discussing is something. But after the section, so the line will start at the same position, and if you're going for paragraphs, automatically will get some space. So because of this reason, here we are getting. So after the symbols, so directly the next line is starting from the same position, and next lines are coming in the same paragraph. If you want to remove that paragraph, so I want symbols in the below only, one by one. So in the same position, then go with no indent. Yes. So I will copy this command and I will use here no indent. Here you can see the all symbols are coming in the same position. So like this, you can use all these values. So if you want to get one and I mean one slash, I mean one hyphen, you have to use slash hyphen. Cap if you want slash cap. You know, sir, I don't want to use slash tab. You can use, it will work, but sometimes it will ask to, it will say that there is some error. Okay, so if you want this perfectly without having any elements, you have to follow this slash symbols for slash for your symbols. So slash percentage slash like this if you want any type of dollar type. So slash yes. Next and cents, same thing, right? We'll use this and cents many times, right? Slash over slash dot wo slash like this. So these are the answers if you want to use. So particular codes we have to remember. But in the instead of such, I mean, you can think, you can again, you can ask sir, sir, these are the symbols already available in MS Word. Directly we will go there and we will get that. So instead of searching every time going inside symbols and searching for the symbols, so if you learn how what are the name of the symbols, automatically just you type, you will get easily. So without no need of searching. Generally, many times we will not use this one. At very rare case, during that time, just if you search in Google, you automatically will get the what is the code for this symbols. Otherwise, I will share this PDF. Almost all symbols I have covered in this PDF. What are the main symbols you will use? Almost all 99% I have covered. So easily you can refer these symbols. Next, delimiters. We know, right, comma, spaces, double quotations, all these things. So these delimiters I will discuss later. Why? Because these delimiters are important when we are discussing mathematical symbols. So as of now, we'll postpone this one. Delimiters. These delimiters will discuss while discussing mathematical symbols. That is very very important. There you will understand what is the importance of these delimiters. Okay, and dashes, page breaks, all these things. Here you can see here. Dashes does not require any type of slashes. Directly you can use a slash or double slashes, m dash like this. You can use whatever you want. This is important. Line and page breaks. So if you use double slash, the next line will be displayed. So we are going to new line without any new paragraph. So double star if you are giving page break after the line break. So once we give this double slash star, the next line will be displayed in the new page. Okay, we will try this one. I will show you here. So for example, I will use this one. uh, I will copy any one or two text. Same thing, I copied, so I pasted here. So generally if I run this one after the symbols, so this code will be displayed. We are getting this one. We are getting something error. Okay, error is nothing but, so this one. So here we copied from here, right? But I forget this flower bracket. See here, the flower at the end of the text, the flower bracket is closed, but there is no any open flower bracket. That is the error. So I will remove that flower bracket. Now the error is gone. So now we can run this one. Again we have some problem where we forget that one. Somewhere we missed the number line 62. Yeah, 62 only. Here also again 2 minutes flower brackets. Okay, okay. We'll open this one. Yes, this is okay. Flower bracket open. Here the flower bracket is error, so this is does not require. And any other side for error. Yeah, now again I will run. I will check is an error again. Yeah, again we have. So where is that? Here we have double. Okay, fine. Here, okay. Here we forget to give a flower bracket, right? So underline. So underline, forget, we are not mentioned the any type of flower bracket, closing flower bracket. So now we got this. Very very simple errors only we will do. Okay, don't we don't want to worry about that if you're getting error immediately. So don't get panic. Oh, I got something and it is not running. Very small errors, very small symbols only will do mistake. Just take care about that. Easily will your output will be displayed. So as of now, I'm removing this huge also. Yes. Now we got this out properly. Now I want to take this text in the new page, means directly you can use slash double slash. Double slash is nothing but next line. So if you're using double slash star, it will go for the new page. Same is coming. Just a minute. What happened? The codes are not working. Yeah, it's working. What I mentioned here. Double slash star prohibit page break after line break. Okay, okay. Sorry, wrongly I said this one. It is coming for the line break. Okay, so here I mentioned proper text, but understanding is okay. So prohibit page breaks after the line breaks. So if you're using this type of symbols, so we can prohibit the page breaks. Okay, not the I'm saying that what I'm saying. So it is going for new page, right? Okay, it is not a new page. So it will break that after after page break. So we don't want to get any type of line breaks. That's one thing. Okay, I hope you understand this one. Wrongly I say this one, it is going for a new page. Okay, slash kill. So don't print current line. So what are the, if you're using slash kill, so it will not print the particular current line. Otherwise, you can directly, instead of using this kill, so we can use the percentage symbol. I said right. So for example, if I'm using this percentage symbol, so instead of this percentage, they're saying that they are slash kill. So no need to use the kill. So if I can use this percentage symbol directly, we can omit the text. Page break. Here is there. Okay, understand. So here is a page break. We have the command, so it will be useful to go for new page. This is wrongly said as double slash star. It is only giving for line break with checking, and this page break is required for going for new page. For example, now I will show that. So this is the command. Now here I will use slash page break. Yes. So slash page break. So now I will execute this one. Here you can see this one. So up to here we have text. If you're using page break, so the next text is going to the next page, new page. If you are omitting this one, let us take, I'm not using this page break, I'm killing this one line. So if you are using automate, the text will be coming here only. See here only. I hope you understand. So if you remove this one, automate, the text is going for new page. Okay. Like this, no indent. I said right, no indent means we don't want any space in the paragraph, starting paragraph. So no indent. Next, uh, here. So some miscellaneous symbols I have given here. So slash today. So if you want to print a today date, directly you can use slash today. Slash today wherever you place. So automatically today date will be displayed. For example, now you given today date, and then if you're running code, okay, today I execute the code, today date will display. If you execute the code tomorrow, for example, I will open my same project, LaTeX project. If I open tomorrow date will be displayed. We don't want to change every day current date. Okay, automatically if you use slash today, so the date on the current date will be displayed, current day and date will be displayed. Next, slash sim is something, it is a dollar, I mean the followers will write tilde, so we can use this slash sim. Slash other date, so we can keep the other date symbol. Slash h space, these things I will discuss, h space and v space. So if you want, for example, here over past 7 decades, I have write. For example, I want some space between these two words. I want to give some space. Generally, if you give many spaces, also LaTeX will not consider. LaTeX will consider only a single space. Here you can see this. Over the past 7 decades, I have given many more space here, but here we are taking only single space. But if you want to take space, for example, at any case, then you can use H space. That is called horizontal space. H space. Here you can mention the space, how many centimeters you want, how many pts you want. For example, let us say I want 1 centimeter, the space between these two words. Here you can see over the past you got one space line, 1 centimeter space. So like that you can take the space between the words using H space, horizontal space. If you remove this one, and how much space if you give, it will not consider. It will consider as a single line space. Okay, so I will go back, undo my operations just by clicking Ctrl Z. So if I click Ctrl Z, as it is how in MS Word will work, here also Ctrl Z will work for redo the undo the documents, undo the operations. Okay. And one more thing I will show you. For example, here I will break this paragraph. So I will go new paragraph. So it's, what now we'll check what is the output we are getting, and we'll understand what is the v space advantage. Here we have two paragraphs simply. So first sentence and second paragraph. Here I will use slash For example, I will make one more also. Let us take here ROC curve is there. So I will take one more paragraph, and here we will use the V space. V space is nothing but vertical space. We are giving the space between the lines, not within the same line. Okay, so V space. Let us take, I am giving 2 pt or 2 centimeters. Yeah, now you can see this space between the paragraphs. So V space is nothing but vertical space. H space is nothing but horizontal space. So this H space will be useful within this line. So this will be useful between the lines. Many times you will use this H space and V space. Why? Because in LaTeX, sometimes we need to adjust the text in one page or next page. In the situations, we will use this V space and H spaces. Okay. This is about these things. Now we'll enter into the main part, mathematical symbols. Typing mathematical formula. This is most important for us. So LaTeX mainly developed for typing in mathematical symbols. Okay, so beautiful mathematical symbols we can display. Okay, here I have given some text to you people. Just read this. Directly I will enter into the our mathematical equations. Okay. See here. This is very important. So slash section mathematical equations. Yeah, mathematical sections. I am going for a new page slash page break. I will use new page for this mathematical equations because of we have to discuss a lot of things in mathematical equations. So, for example, here I will write. Let us take one simple mathematical equation. So we'll adapt some text from anywhere, or I will show you one anyone. We'll take any one document so that we'll convert that into LaTeX format. Paperwork, and then where I have worked. So papers. Let us take JBS and the Journal of Applied Statistics. We have created ROC. Let us take JS mixture ROC. This is my paper. I will take some equations on this paper. Then you will convert. Before opening that one, I will show you something. So in LaTeX, if you want to display any symbol in mathematical mode, you have to use these dollar symbols. This single dollars is showing that. So within the dollar, if you mention anything, for example, let us say I will mention LaTeX or yes, simple one word. Now you can see automatically by default you are getting yes here. It shows suggesting what the output you will get approximately. This yes will be in mathematical mode. Any text, any symbol, if you want to display in a mathematical mode, you have to use these dollar symbols before and after that particular value or particular symbol. I will use here normal. Yes, you will understand what is the normal text and mathematical mode text. This is one thing. And one more thing is that, for example, generally equations will be in the center right. So if you want to place your equations in the center, then you have to use double dollars like this. Yes, this is a double dollar. Now what it will treat as, this is a mathematical equation which will be displayed in the center of the equation. So let us take here, instead of yes, we'll take any one equation. uh, the equation, let us say I'm typing something, the equation as follows: y which is equal to mx plus c, something I have some equation. Yes, this is the equation. Now I will run here. See here, the equation as follows: y equal to mx plus c. This equation is coming within the text. So when you are within the text, if you want to take a mathematical mode, you need only single dollars. Mathematical equation dot where m, for example, let us say m is a slope parameter and c is a intercept. Just I'm assuming these are the one regression equation, so that's why I'm taking y equal to mx plus c. So m is a slope and c is an intercept. Okay, Intercept spelling is correct. Okay, leave it. So intercept. Now I will run this one. Here you can see. So the equation as follows: y equal mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the intercept. Here one thing you can observe that m, it is not a mathematical mode and c is not in a mathematical mode. Why? Because we have used it without, we are not using any type of dollars directly as normal text is coming. But here m and c are the mathematical modes. If you want to convert this m and c in a mathematical mode, so again we have to give dollar. So dollar m, and then open and close, within that we have to give that symbol. Now we can observe this one. So m and c are the, now we will get mathematical mode symbols. So m c. Okay, for example, sometimes what you will do, you will represent this y equal to mx plus c in the in normal, in a single line. I mean, in one line I want to display my equation, means that equation will come in the center position. So when you want to take a center position, so directly you can use this double dollars. So now I will copy this mx plus c, just I'm pasting here. Now you understand. See here again, y equal to mx plus c. So directly you will get within the equation will be placed in the center position of the page. So if you use double dollars, you can use double dollars, or you can use slash uh, square brackets like this. So you can use this slash square bracket and slash open square bracket. Then with the same meaning you will get. You will show. Both are same meaning. Both the ways you can define. Either you can use double dollars or you can use slash uh, square brackets. One is open, one is close. These things also we can use. And sometimes you will ask, sir, we'll get equation numbers. No, but here we are not getting any equation numbers. How to get equation numbers? Yeah, whenever you are going to define equation numbers, then you have to use begin equation, end equation. Till now I am not using any type of begin equation, end equation. So as it is, I'm following. In case if you want to give equation numbers, then you have to use begin equation. So begin equation, yes, begin equation and end equation. Now I will copy the same equation here. In this begin equation and equation, we already saying that yes, I'm typing equation only. I don't want to any other text, so I'm taking only equation. That's why you don't want to mention these dollars. Here the dollars is why we are defining is nothing but we are saying that, sir, in the text I'm giving some mathematical mode symbols, that's why I'm using dollars. We are informing them, informing to the latex. But while coming to the double dollars, here it is directly saying equation, so no need to do anything. Here also we are saying that by using a slash square bracket, saying that it is a mathematical symbol. Now here I'm using begin equation. So begin equation, end equation, nothing but inside what the text or what the things will available between these two lines, all will treat as the equation. So we don't want to give any square brackets, we don't want to give any dollars. So just I will place my equation y equal to mx plus c. Now if I run this one, yes, equation number one you got. Like I said, I will copy and paste one more time. So here I will paste. I will paste one more time. So now we will get equation number two. Yes, equation number two you got. This is an advantage in LaTeX. See, for example, now here I have given equation number and equation number two. Now, anyone other people are, I want to change, for example, in between one and two, I want to give one more equation. That is equation, let us say, I will give one more equation, y equal mx plus c, instead of y equal mx plus c, let us say mx square, mx plus bx, by plus z, for example. Okay, now I will place this one, this equation. If I place this equation, so the equation numbers will be distributed. Generally this is equation number one, now equation number two, this is equation number three. And in some text we will say that, sir, equation number one I have given one general regression equation, simple regression equation, y equal to mx plus c. And equation number two, for example, let us say I have given one equation, that is mx plus k plus something, one constant I will take, or any one value will take. Let us say will define ky plus z. So now, for example, let us say equation one represent regression, equation two represent some different value, some different equation, and the equation will be different. Now, equation first one is I have defined mx plus c. Second one is also defined. Now, in between, if I define new equation, then automatically I want to change the next equation numbers. So sequentially, continuously, all equation numbers I have to change. But here does not require. How many equations you will input? equation numbers will not be disturbed. By default, it will be adjusted. Here you can see 1, 2, you got 3. How many equations? For example, I will keep one more same equation in between these equations. So let us say I'm keeping one more equation between these two. Let us say y equal to 0. Simple one equation. Now if I'm placing, I don't want to adjust the equation number. The 3 will become 4 now. So we don't want to adjust. Automatically we are getting. So equation numbers don't want to worry about in LaTeX. So by default, if you give wherever you place your equations, continuous a sequence you will get. Okay. This one thing, and along with this I will show you one reference, then we'll conclude today, then we'll take main mathematical equations tomorrow. Okay. Now generally we'll say that equation, for example, let us say I will write some paragraph equation 1. Let us say equation 1 I want to call here. What you will do in the word file, equation 1 you will write equation 1 is some xyz, and equation 2, and equation 2, let us take equation 2 is some vyx, and finally let us say I will keep as enough, I will follow 2. Now I will run this one. What you are getting, equation 1 is this one, equation 2 is this one. For example, let us take, I will remove this y equal to 0. If I remove this y equal to 0, but here equation number 2 is there, right? Equation 2 represent v by x, right? So let us say I will remove this one and I will run now. Now what this will come? So equation 1 we have, equation 2 gone. But equation 2 number, what we are getting? The new equation y equal to mx plus dy plus sz we are getting. Now in word file, this is the problem. So here we call 1 and 2, but second equation we removed, but here we mentioned second. Because here second equation is coming the new something different equation. For easy way understanding, I will do one thing. Y equal to 0 I will keep, easily understand. Y equal to 1, and let us take y equal to 3. Now equation 1 is, let us take 0 1, and equation 2 is, let us take 1. For easy way understanding, I will keep randomly something. I'm not giving any equations. I can take many equations, my statistical equations, but as of now itself, if I take them, you will get confused. For example, let us say if I do a simple regression, any regression equation y equal to x plus bx square, y square, if I take any power terms, you will think in different again. Okay, that's why I'm not taking any type of mathematical different equation, just basic equation I'm taking. Okay, so let us say y equal to 0, y equal to 1, y equal to, let us say 3. Now I will run this one. Here you can see this one. Yes, equation 1 is 0, equation 2 is 1, equation 3 is 3. For example, I want to say equation 1 is 0 and equation 2 is 1. Yes, equation 1 is 0, equation 2 is 1. Suddenly I got something, and then what I will do, I will remove this one. Instead of remove, we'll keep one thing. Let us say, for example, let us take instead of this one, I will keep one thing. Not here. Equation between 1 and 2 I will insert. Now I want to make, let us say, equation 1.1. Now I will run this one. Now see here 1 is 0, yes, agreed, but 2 is 1.1, but 2, what we are saying, 1, which means that this equation is considered as a 2. Here we entered. This is the problem in Word. So now what you will do, you will change here. This is 1.1, or this you will 2 you will mention, or here you will mention 1.1 hyphen 1 you will either you will change. Otherwise you will change this equation numbers here. And now let us take, I will make this 1 only. Where is this 1 will come? 1 will be the equation 3. Now you will change like this equation numbers where you call reference. So now 1 is 0, equation 3 is 1, equation 3 is 1. If I remove this 1.1, I will run this one. Again you will get the problem. So equation 0, 0 is 1. Yes, 1 is, equation 1 is 0. Equation 3 is 1, but equation 3 is now 3, not 1. So every time we have to change. But in LaTeX, once you give the reference, it will never disturb. So how we have to give the reference is nothing but just after begin equation, enter. Now for this equation, you just give some label, slash label. If you give label, you just call anyone, give any some usual word for this equation. For example, this equation I'm giving 0 like this. I'm giving some label for this. Now you don't want to call this as a equation number 1. here within the flower brackets, here I have given 0 as a label. Now give reference ref within the flower bracket. What is the name I have given? 0. Just call 0. Yes, we got by default. Now whenever you want to discuss about this equation, just give reference 0. What the corresponding number will display in the output, the same number will come here. Here for example, equation number I will give, equation number 1 is this one, slash label. I am giving some label to my equation, that is, let us say 1. I have given label 1. Now here I will call slash reference within the flower slash ref. So within the bracket let us 1. Now you run this one. Now see here, equation 1 is 0. Yes, 1 is 0. Equation 2 is 1. Now if you want to replace any equation, just I'm copying this 3 and I'm pasting in between 1 and 2. In between 1 and 2 if I place, what you will generally, this will be the first equation and this will be the second equation, this will be the third equation, right? Now your second equation will be 3, but second equation will be 1. Actually in word will cut, but here you will not get like that. As it is, what the corresponding equation number will get? Same. See, equation number 3 is changed now. Equation 3 is your 1. Yes, equation number 3 is your 1. Inside I have placed one equation. Even if you place the equation number 2 is not taking here. The corresponding, if you are giving, once you define the label, for this label, wherever you will call reference the corresponding name of the label, this equation, what number is having, the same number will come here. For example, let us take I will place many equations. Let us take many. Like that, I will mention many equations. You see, I have many equations I have installed. Now, what you will do generally, you will change here where the equation numbers will get. So now, once I click this one, automatically, how many numbers are there? It will not consider. See, sixth equation will be the 1. Like this, you can call references, label and reference. This label and reference we can call for many things, not only for equations. You can call sections, you can call subsections. Wherever you want to call any particular section or any particular figure, any tables, you can use labels. For example, I will use the one thing here. I will show you. Let us take alignment. We have right now. I will double click on this. I will go to the word file. Now here I will give one label. Label after the section. Label, for example, I am using ALI. ALI. ALI is nothing. My own word I am giving. ALI is nothing but some a label I am giving to this alignment. Okay. Now, for example, after this one, I will cut this paragraph. Easily, why we need take. So once just I have given center. Now here in section, let us take in section within section, let us take I want to take this in alignment. I have to mention, okay, what I will mention, slash reference. In the reference, what I will ALI. So this is my reference. I'm going in section we mention about the alignments. Okay, just I have given one text. Now if you run this one, here you can see this is alignment. Here I have given label. Now in this next line you are getting in section 1.1. 1.1 is I am not called any 1.1. What is the number of the subsection by default? So I have given label for this subsection. That subsection what the number is have automatically is displaying here. Even if you include the new section here, it will not disturb. For example, see here, I will copy the same thing. Same, I will copy this one and I will paste here. Let us take, I will remove this subsection or not. I will remove this label because same labels it should not give. Let us take alignment. Instead of alignment, I will give fonts. Just I have changed something. Now you can see here. Now fonts will be the section 1.1. Alignment will be the 1.2. Why? Because these both are subsections. Okay. Here, what you have to do again in Word file, you have to type 1.2. You have to mention. Why? Because alignment will come in 1.2. But in LaTeX, we have given label for alignment. So this alignment, what section number is having, same section will be the replicated in the reference. Now I will run this one. See here, 1.1 is a fonts, 1.2 is the alignment. Now in Word, what you will do, you will go here, you will change 1.2. But Here no need to change. 1.2 I have given label ALI. So wherever you call ALI, the section corresponding number will be displayed. See 1.2. This is the biggest advantage. These advantages will be useful in writing thesis especially. Not only thesis, generally we'll write in articles also. After completion of introduction, we'll give the information about the what the structure of article. In section 2, we discuss this one. In section 3, we discuss this one. In section 4, we mention numerical illustration. In section 5, we give conclusions like that. So in case in between, if you add one more section, so it will not disturb. So same section number, how the section number is displayed in the PDF, the same number will be displayed. So we don't want to worry about the section numbers. So these things I have to convey today. So tomorrow we'll take a mathematics. Complete mathematics we'll discuss how mathematical symbols will work, how to take the powers, how to take the denominators, how the equation will be aligned center, left, normal, cubical equations, very bigger number of equations, how to type all I will do, how to all adjust our equations in the alignment wise. So all these things I will discuss tomorrow.
Thank you very much, sir. Wonderful class.
Yeah. Okay. 1 minute, sir. Thank you, Shiva sir.
Sir.
Yeah, all the participants are very happy to hear. With your kind permission, I will ask the participants. If anyone
Yes,
have
sure.
some doubts or any requirements, please raise your hands and ask.
Someone is asking when we will discuss Beamer PPT. Sir, okay, when you want, I don't know. Generally, tomorrow we'll have mathematical part completely, and therefore tomorrow tables and figures we'll discuss, and then we'll discuss Beamer, sir. No issues. I will show you Beamer.
Okay.
Directly, sir wants to explain PPT.
Yeah.
In Beamer, sir, you don't want to worry about that. Generally, in Beamer also, what I will do is I will not create my own Beamer. So I will see the templates what are available in online. So I have some people will like these templates like different like. So I will like some template. Then rest I will take that template to my overleaf. Then I will modify according to mine. And I will show you how to create templates also. Don't worry. Generally, what I will do. How to call
Yes,
more
sir.
than
Yes,
one
sir. Yes,
expression?
you said the
Sir, related to
PPT,
me, sir. I'm not understanding.
you said yesterday it is so useful. Even if code is PPT also if said that will be useful. Even code if it is said, then it will be useful for us. So by
Sir,
seeing
voice is
that code,
completely
what we
disturbing, sir.
have written
Sorry, ma'am. Your voice
in this
is not clear.
presentation, that will help us. Please share the code.
Sir, sorry, I'm saying I'm